equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You will also need a replacement motor specifically designed for the Dyson SV17 model. Start by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure safety during the process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you access to the screws that hold the main body together. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located at the back and sides of the vacuum. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the two halves of the vacuum cleaner. Be cautious as there may be wires connected between the two halves. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. Now, locate the motor assembly. It is typically situated near the base of the vacuum. You will see several screws securing the motor in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. If you find it challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If you're unsure, a quick photo can help you remember the configuration. With the old motor removed, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure optimal performance once the new motor is installed. Now, take your new motor and connect it to the wiring harness, ensuring that the connections match your previous setup. Secure the motor in place with the screws you removed earlier. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once the motor is secured, carefully reassemble the two halves of the vacuum cleaner. Make sure all wires are tucked away safely and not pinched between the plastic. Replace the screws in the back and sides, ensuring everything is tight and secure. Finally, reattach the dust canister and plug the vacuum back in. Test the vacuum to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't forget that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. By following these steps, you should have successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV17. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your vacuum, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.